Hi everyone, we are revising unit number 2, Health and Safety. In our last lesson, we learned some rules to keep ourselves safe in home and outdoors, and how to keep ourselves safe with animals, with plants and near water, and some safety rules about food. And today we will learn about how to keep ourselves safe when using machines. So, use machines and tools with care. Never run with them or play with them. So, there are some basic machines in our home like scissor, toaster, electric iron, knife, needle, electric kettle, and lamps. So, first of all, we should never use any machine in the absence of our elder ones, our parents. We should always use them with their permission, because machine can also harm us if we do not use them with care. We should never run when we are holding scissor, knife or needle, and we should not play with the electric machines. Sound. Never shout into someone's ear. Do not put beads or sharp objects into your ears. Do not use headphones too often. You know that there is a type of pollution which is called noise pollution. So we should be very careful with sounds and noise, because it can also harm us. So we should not shout. Firstly, it looks very bad when we are shouting. We should always talk slowly and politely. We should also take care of our ears, and we should not use headphones too often. When you are playing and when you are watching something on mobile, do not use headphones, because it can harm our ears and inner organs. Next is heat and electricity. Electric current can harm you, so never play with electrical equipment or wires. Do not poke things into electric sockets or touch bare wires. Stay away from things which are very hot. We all have electrical appliances in our home, so we should use them with care, because electric current is very dangerous. We should never play with them. We all have sockets in our home, and we should not poke things into this socket. We should not put pen, pencil, scissor or anything in this socket, because it is very dangerous. And if the wires are not covered, we should not touch them. We should also be very careful with things which are very hot, like electric kettle, electric iron and utensils in the kitchen. Now comes light. Never look directly at the sun or other bright lights. Never reflect sunlight with a mirror into anyone's eyes. Do not spend too much time in the sunshine. We should never look at the sun directly. We should wear a hat or sunglasses to avoid the sunlight. We should not annoy anyone by reflecting sunlight with the mirror, because it can harm others' eyes. Do not spend too much time in the sunshine, and we should not spend too much time on screens, because screen time is also very dangerous for our eyes. Do not use mobile, laptop or other gadgets more than 30 minutes. Let's revise this concept check. Fill in the blanks using always or never, so that the rules are clear. Never look directly at the sun or always look directly at the sun. We should never look directly at the sun. Second one is dash run with scissors. Always run with scissors? No, never run with scissors. Dash wash your hands before eating. Never wash your hands before eating? No, always wash your hands before eating. Always swim alone? No, we should never swim alone. Now, safety at home. Do not climb on furniture or play rough games in the house. Never leave things lying around on the floor. We can also put ourselves in danger at our home if we play rough games, climb on our sofas and jump on our beds. So we should take care of these things also. And when we end our play, we should put all our toys in the toy basket, because lying toys on the carpet or the floor can harm anyone else in our home. Now our chapter has finished. I hope you will follow these rules in your daily life. Thank you.